Hi, this is Jack Milne with Tri-County Inspection Company and the House Whisperer Show. During the course of many home inspections, I'm coming across a lot of questions regarding orphaned water heaters. So I thought today I would spend this segment discussing that item. Orphaned water heaters come into being when equipment like my boiler here had been updated. And this is a high efficient condensing boiler which does not require a chimney. Your typical masonry chimney that sits outside the building. So once I introduce this, which I will cover in a later topic, my water heater essentially became orphaned. So if you look up here, you're going to see how I had to reconfigure my flue connection, because my chimney was initially designed to handle two fossil fuel burning devices, the boiler and the water heater. And especially my chimney that sits outside the wall is actually surrounded on three sides by the atmospheric air, winds, weather, etc. So what was happening, and can happen, is that if you leave a standard environmentally venting water heater in a chimney like that, the flue gases inside the chimney will condense. And if that happens, then what happens, the byproducts of combustion or carbon monoxide will then come down the flue and spill back into the house, which can lead to a life-threatening issue. So in order to correct an orphaned water heater, we really have two options. One is to put a stainless steel chimney liner inside the existing terracotta that would serve one need, the water heater. Or for roughly the same price, I'll go over that in a sec, you can install a high efficient draft inducing water heater and then eliminate the chimney. Now, cost always becomes a factor. The reason that I put my liner in is because my water heater was only a year old when I updated the boiler. So did I want to spend roughly $1,300 on a new water heater or spend roughly $1,100 on a liner? So this is where it becomes a business decision. In most cases during the course of a home inspection, if I see a dated water heater, then I tell my clients it's not worth investing those dollars to put the liner in. And for about a $200 difference, you can get yourself a new water heater. So this question comes up a lot during the course of a home inspection. I wanted to take today to really try to clarify why it's important to address this issue. Because the more efficient our equipment becomes, sometimes the less efficient our own products in our home become. So if you like the topic, please place a comment below, and I'll see you next time.